Hi guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. Now congratulations to all of y'all for the index touching a fresh all-time high of 21,928 levels. Before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. So we have been seeing that Nifty has been continuously making higher highs from the last 10 weeks and the momentum is only likely to continue. We did see during the week that Nifty had touched 21,450 odd levels, which is a key level, and there has been strong buying at those support zones, which resulted in the lifetime high levels towards the end of the week. So onwards and upwards, we can see 22,000 levels and then 22,222 zones in Nifty. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, there has been a little lackluster move over here. The entire index rally has been supported more by the IT index this week. So Bank Nifty, although has taken a little bit of a back foot, but overall the structure remains positive and we could look out for 48,500 zones over here as the next hurdle levels. For the support, we can watch out at 47,250 zones. Now, sectors to watch out for this week would be some of the power and IT names. IT, of course, has been the star performer this week, so it cannot be ruled out. Other than that, we can also focus on the Ayodhya theme. So, sectors in focus would be some of the hotels and tourism companies. Also, some of the real estate pack is quite strong. Apart from this, some of the PSU banking names have also shown strength at support zones. So these are those sectors to watch out for. See you next week.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.